Welcome to the example for section 2.5, number 10. And so this one deals with angles, just like the previous example. So it says the three angles of a triangular flag are x, 4 times the complement of x, and 1/3 the supplement of x. Find the measures of the angles. And so what we're going to do then is we have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So the first angle is going to be our x angle. Now, the second angle is 4 times the complement of x. And so this one's going to be 4 times the complement. And remember, two angles are complementary if their sum is equal to 90. So it's going to be 90 minus x. And because whatever this angle is, plus x has to give us 90. And then the third angle, it says, is 1/3 the supplement of x. So the supplement of x, we're going to do 1/3. is going to be 180 minus x. And so these three angles, or the sum of these three angles together, has to give us 180 degrees. Okay? So 4 times the complement of angle x, and then the third, or 1/3, the supplement of angle x, right? And that's what they were asking us here. Find the angle measures. So we're going to go ahead and just start multiplying these out. All right, so this is going to be 360 minus 4x. And then so here, just remember to distribute the 1/3, right? And so in other words, what we're doing is we're dividing 180 by 3. So that's going to be 60 minus 1/3 x is equal to 180. Now, so we're going to combine like terms. So we have 360 plus 60. And that's going to be our 420. And so here we have x minus 4x, which is negative 3x, minus 1/3 x plus the 420. All right. And so we have several ways of doing this. We can go ahead and convert the 3 into a fraction where it equals a number over 3. And so 3 has to equal some number divided by 3. And then, of course, if we do 3 times 3, we get 9. And so we get 9 over 3x is equivalent to 3 minus 1/3 x plus the 420 is equal to 180. So negative 9 over 3x minus 1/3 x is negative 10 over 3x, or negative 10/3 x, plus 420 is equal to 180. So now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the 420 from both sides. So we get 10 over 3x is equal to 180 minus 420. Let me put that here so we know what we did. And we get negative 240. And so since we have a fraction as our coefficient, the best way to get rid of that is to multiply by the reciprocal. So it's negative 240 times negative 3 over 10. And so what happens here on the left side is that negative 3 times negative 10 is a positive 30, and then 10 times 3 is a 30, and 30 over 30 is 1, and 1 times x is just x. And then so here we have a negative times a negative, so that's going to be positive. So 240 times 3 is 720, and if we divide that by 10, we get 72. So x is equal to 72 degrees. Now, we're going to name, again, so we named angle 1, angle 2. So the second one, so we're going to do the second angle, is equal to 90 minus 72. And so that's going to give us 18 degrees. So that's the second angle. And then the third angle is 180. Oops, sorry. I made a mistake here. Let me go back and fix it. So it's 4 times the complement. So it's going to be 4 times 90 minus 72. So it's going to be 18 times 4, which is 72. And then the last one is going to be 1/3 times 180 minus 72. So if I do 180 minus 72, I get 108. So it's 1/3 times 108. And I get 36 degrees. So now, that means that these three angles have to add up to 180, right, in order to be correct. So 72 plus 72 plus 36. So 72 plus 72 plus 36 is equal to 180 degrees. So the measure of the first angle is 72 degrees. The measure of the second angle is 72 degrees. And the measure of the third is 36 degrees. And that's the example number 10 for section 2.5. Thank you.